Hello there my YouTube friends, Top Creations here. You might say I had a little luck a while ago, and I learned a little lesson on the way. Stay tuned. While filming a project I'm working on, I got a little too far away, and of course you're not supposed to. But at least I got to test that these sensors in the front here and all around actually work. Around the small hill I suddenly lost all contact with my drone. The screen froze and turned grey, and there was nothing I could do before the GoPro app asked me if I wanted to return to home, which I confirmed of course. But I wasn't totally aware of the surroundings of the drone at the moment and how high the terrain actually was. I had set the altitude for return to home at 80 meters. I thought that was more than sufficient, but the following shows what happened while I was out of control and blind, so enjoy.